Hey guys, Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. I'm standing on a new Scout 195 Sportfish we just got in. This boat has a nice powder-coated T-top, canvas, nice PFD storage right there. Standing kind of to the side of the helm, you can see we have a nice lean post, two-person lean post. Under the lean post, you have a live well on this boat. Nice size live well for a 19-foot boat. Battery switches, little lockable glove box, your gauging, nice compass, and your stereo controls. So looking at the aft of this boat, you have some rod holders, cup holders back here, access to your bilge, nice Yamaha that powers this guy, and then some seats in the back. Now in these seats you do have some storage as well, pop-up cleats around, rod storage, or a great spot for a boat pole, boat brush. JL audio speakers, nice storage area, nice and clean, polished gel coat. Walk up here towards the bow, nice seat cushion up in the bow here, great access to a large storage area. Have the prop in here. We just got this boat in, we haven't gotten the prop on yet. And then looking back at the console here, you have a cooler in front of your helm with a seat. Here's a shot from the bow of the boat. Hey guys, it's been Lars Pearson here, MarineMax, Ship Bottom, New Jersey. If you're interested in this boat, give us a call. 609-494-2102. Thanks.